So hello everybody, welcome to this important series of constraint motion. So we are dealing with the ninth problem in the constraint motion series, and let us solve it using the virtual work method. So we can say that if this system is moving in such a way that it is a towing van, so there are the two towing vans which are trying to tow the third truck. So we can say that there is a truck 1 and then there is a truck 2, and they are together towing another truck which is a truck 3. So over here, if we start with the tensional analysis, so we can say that if they are moving in this direction, so they are creating a tension in this direction, let us say T in this direction, and this one is also creating a tension T in this direction, and this one is being towed over here in this direction with a tension 2T. So this is the scenario which we can say is going to act. Now if we do dot product of T and A for the entire system, so beginning from here we can say 2T times A naught. So over here T and A in the opposite direction minus T A1, T and A2 in the opposite direction minus T A2, and this is equal to 0. And from here we can say that A naught is equal to A1 plus A2 divided by 2. So this is the final answer for this particular problem, that the acceleration A naught of the third truck which is being towed because of the acceleration A1 and A2 is going to be A1 plus A2 by 2. So I hope you like the content. In order to watch more such content, continue to like the channel.